For more than 4 decades, Sommers Schwartz has fought to recover compensation for badly injured clients and their families. Year after year, we've won major battles against insurance companies, negligent corporations, makers of defective medical devices, careless landowners, and reckless car and truck drivers, making them pay. Serious accidents and mistakes happen every day. But when someone else's carelessness or negligence harms you or a loved one, rest assured, Sommers Schwartz will fight for you every step of the way.
I had hip implant surgery, thinking the replacement would end my pain and enhance my life. But when the implant failed, that's when the real problem started. Fortunately, the personal injury attorneys at Sommers Schwartz were there to help me and my family. When I had the operation, my doctor and I expected the replacement to last another 20 years. But the implant was negligently designed and inadequately tested. And it gave out only a few years after the surgery. I could barely walk. I had to have another operation to remove and replace the defective implant. The manufacturer cared more about profits than patients. That's when I contacted Sommers Schwartz to take on the manufacturer and to make them pay. Sommers Schwartz sued the company, not just for me, but on behalf of dozens of other people who experienced the same problems with their implants. One of my lawyers had both of his hips replaced, so he knew firsthand what we all felt. The Sommers Schwartz team got the manufacturer to pay millions of dollars to cover all of our medical bills and lost wages.
We not only represent individuals and families, but we also pursue damage claims on behalf of large groups of people who have suffered injuries from defective products and medical devices, and victims of sexual abuse and assault.
There's no better joy and pride in my work than being able to help somebody that needs help, that's been wronged. And through our system, it's a long process, but in the end, if you're able to do that and you see how much you can help someone who deserves that help and it can change their life, there's no better feeling in the world.
We pride ourselves on making sure that we provide good quality interventions and results for our clients.
Slick television ads and billboards don't get results. It takes brains, courtroom experience, and a team dedicated to winning. That's how Sommers Schwartz gets our clients the justice they deserve.
Sommers Schwartz is a special place, it really is, because there's a ton of knowledge. The experience here is immeasurable. And quite frankly, when we put our names on any pleadings, the other side really sits up and listens because they know we've done our work.
We're not just going to take the case and file it. We're going to make sure it's solid. We're going to do our homework. We're going to look at the literature. We're going to consult the experts, because we know that once we file that case, it is a road. You know, the plaintiff has to give a deposition and may have to go to trial and answer interrogatories. And it's hard for plaintiffs sometimes to relive what happened to them. So we want to make sure if they're going to do that, that we are certain we have a case.
So when you're injured, physically, emotionally, or financially, and your future is on the line, you can't afford to make a bad choice. Choose the experienced team of attorneys at Sommers Schwartz. It may be the best decision you ever make.